Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. These are the October Stampin' Showcase projects that I received. So we're just going to start right here in the middle. This is the first card that I received. I say it's the first. This is the first one I'm sharing with you. And this one was made by Stephanie. Isn't that pretty? So I've got my little empty bowl here. And here is Stephanie's name. So her name is going into the pot. The next card is also from Stephanie. Look how cute this is. This is using that Memories and More kit. Look at this. So cute, right? Okay, so that's Stephanie. So there's another one with Stephanie's name. This one here is from Kim. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I like that. And let's make sure, yes, that is Kim. So here's Kim's name. And then we have these cute tags. These are also from Stephanie. Look how cute they are. So, Stephanie. The next one is from Bonnie. Now this is really neat. Watch this. So it pulls up and comes out the bottom as well. So that is really neat. Okay, so here is Bonnie's name. And the next one is going to be Pam. You guys are familiar with Pam. So she sent me these lovely towels. So this tag here, she created. She sent this A for Angie, another tag. So there's 3 tags that she sent along with these awesome goodies. So look at that little hamster. Isn't that so cute? I just love that stamp set. Okay, so we're going to put Pam's name in there. And then the last one that I'm sharing with you is from Melissa. She sent 2 unbelievable projects. So it's going to knock your socks off. So I'm going to open this up. And these are, she wrote me a really nice note. So I'm going to slide the ribbon off. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Isn't this amazing? Look at this. Holy smokes. Can you believe that? I'm actually going to put this up. Now that I've shared it with y'all, this is going to look so pretty out. Look at all the detail. So let's fold it up. Let's see. I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, so you can sign the back. Let's see. Did she tell me what this was called? It's called an accordion card. Okay. Beautiful. Now, wait till you see the next one. So for that project, I've got her name and we're putting it in the pot. And now this one. Okay, so it's a box. And you open it up. Look at this. Okay, another box. And it's got a tag and another box. I feel like it's Christmas. And another box and another tag and another box and more tags. Look at these tags and the final box. I don't even know. Let's see. Did she tell me what this one was called? This is called an explosion box. I've made little mini explosion boxes, but nothing like this. So, oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. It's so fabulous, right? I cannot imagine how long this took her to make. So, Melissa, thank you so much. I will probably keep this thing forever. Things like this, I kind of sort of tend to keep forever. Okay, so I'm just going to close these up and then we're going to draw the winner. And I'm going to put her name in the pot twice for this project. Technically, I should probably do 3 or 4 because there's all these little extra miscellaneous tags. But I think she'd be happy with 2. So, yeah, let me put this on here. I don't want to destroy this or drop it or break it or smush it. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so let me get the container here. We did not have as many submissions this month, but that's okay. Shipping is kind of crazy right now. Okay, so I've given them a good shake, and I'm just reaching in, giving them a little toss, and then reach in the middle and draw one name. Bonnie, you have won. So Bonnie, you get $25 in product of your choice. I will email you. Now, before I sign off, I want to show you some of the projects that I received, like the thank you cards. One of my downline, Maya, sent me this fabric, and now I'm thinking, did she send me this? I think so. And this, and this, and your little kitty cat. I had let's see, what is this one? This one is for a thank you for my fabric basket. Julie redeemed her Chick Rewards, and she got one of the adhesive fabric baskets, so she sent me a thank you. This thank you is from one of my downline. And then this Halloween card is also from a downline. And I think, let's see. Oh, and I think this is a downline also. This is really neat. Yeah, that's for the promotion gifts that I send. I send promotional gifts every month. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.